So our internship program here with DPS is a hands-on experiential learning opportunity for our high school students. They intern with an industry partner to get hands-on experience in an industry, usually in alignment with their current technical education course.
Andrew, can you pass me a 17mm wrench?
Yeah, bro.
Because there's only so much that you can do in the classroom, right? This really allows them to take what they are learning in the classroom and apply it to the real world. This has a few different benefits. One of those being they get to try out a program before they actually spend money post-secondary.
What I like most is just working on cars and getting them fixed. When the customer picks up a car, it's a great feeling when they leave with satisfaction and that we did a great job on helping them with their service.
I can do brakes, I can do a few electrical things, I can do some diagnostics.
Las oportunidades no se dan todos los días y que las tomen en cuanto puedan porque teniendo una carrera técnica o aprendiendo un oficio les va a ayudar mucho en la vida.
My name is Cameron Reeves. I'm a senior at Denver East High School.
We, at the Soil Water Plant Testing Lab, we test samples that people bring in, either their soil samples or their plant samples.
So at my internship, we kind of work with a lot of like soil and plant and like water samples from like farmers or people around the Denver area. So it kind of goes through a few processes. They send us whatever sample it may be, manure, water, kind of like I said before. And we kind of first start with, if it's like a plant or like a soil, start with the grinding process. So we get it down to a really specific, about 1 millimeter. And then we can kind of go through a way of like kind of testing things. So for water, we're looking for like acidity or salt or anything like that. For plant and like other soil stuff, we're looking for like maybe pH or like kind of anything that could be in the soil that the farmers want or don't want, and kind of try to help them through that. And so it's just looking at a lot of those samples.
Our internships are paid. Students who participate in our program are eligible for a fellowship grant award. So we pay our students because we believe that they are offering our industry partners a skill set, and so they should be paid for that skill set. Yeah, so we have over 400 interns participating in our internship program in a year. I do this work because growing up there weren't as many opportunities like this available, and I want to ensure that these opportunities continue for students so that students are not wasting money or time post-graduation, and they are contributing meaningfully to the workforce that they're going to go into.